This exercise is an excellent exercise to help rehab an upper body injury, strengthen the muscles of your upper back, and start to help stabilize your shoulders. This can be used as injury rehab or as a warm-up if you're going to be working on any intensive upper body workouts, such as bowling. I'll be using a resistance band. You can get a whole bunch of different sets of these. They're always color-coded according to resistance. That's one way that you can adjust the resistance. And another way that you can adjust it is how close you hold on to the band. I'm going to show this exercise seated, but there's a couple other ways that you can do this depending on where you are and what equipment you have, and I'll talk you through that. If you're doing this seated, you'll simply come to the floor, take your resistance band and loop it around your feet. That's going to hold it into place for you. And then you're going to sit up as tall as possible, gripping the band with your shoulders pressed down away from your ears. Once you're in place, squeeze your shoulder blades together to pull your elbows back and repeat. You almost want to imagine you've got a number 2 pencil right between your shoulder blades. And every time you pull your elbows back, you'll squeeze and hold it in place and release. If you want to make it a little more challenging, you'll hold onto the band a little closer to your feet. That will increase resistance. You can switch out to a heavier resistance band, or if you're standing, you can take your band, wrap it around a pole, and simply move closer or further away from the pole to adjust your resistance.